guys, what's up? How's it going? It's winding down Halloween season, and today we're going to go over how to draw kind of a fangs, essentially. And I'm going to go over that pretty quick. It's going to be real simple. We'll be using this marker. And don't forget to check out those worksheets that I'm selling. It is on the Gumroad, and it is basically step-by-step worksheets on some of your favorite Halloween drawings from the channel. It's over 100 worksheets, so go check that out on the Gumroad. Link below. All right, let's get going here. And I'm going to start with the outside of the smiley face, which is basically like a lax U. Looks like a banana shape. Corners of the mouth. Gotta put them like that. It's almost like a lesser than and greater than sign. Pulling in. And then I'm going to start one of the fangs here. Right there. Pulling here. More fangs. And there's different movies for vampires. They tend to do different types of fangs. Some are like toward the front. But I like the ones that, you know, toward the canines. Those look really neat. And then, so we're going to keep going here. We're going to divide it up right here. Draw like a thinner line where the teeth go up, and then we're going to continue to divide up the normal teeth next to it. I think having normal teeth next to it, at least within animation and drawing, it gives it more contrast. You know, you have the sharp teeth and the flat ones, and you're like, whoa. So I like that a lot more than having like all of them a little bit sharp or a little bit, I don't know, I kind of think that's cooler in movies. So, you know, I'm just dividing it up. Very, very simple. And if you really want, you can throw an extra thick line on the top here. And maybe even like where the mouth kind of opens up here underneath like the lower lip. And that's it. Actually, you know what? You can even draw the filter a little bit. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. And I have a little black over here. I really hope you enjoyed that. It's very, very simple. I really hope you enjoy Halloween and what you're going to do. There's a few more days till Halloween, so please click that like button and let me know what you want to see in the off season, because this channel is a seasonal channel. What do you want to see in the off season? Somebody said horror villains. I might do that. So if you want to stick around, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Halloween.